Hey, what's up, guys? I'm on my Monday morning walk with my pup, Indy. Indy, say hi. That's Indy. Ryan from Palm Springs, our owner, head coach out there, he did a great video that you can find on our YouTube channel under the Fit and Fortitude Life playlist. But he did a great video on walking and the powerful properties of it and what you can get from it. And I thought it was so good, and I was like, darn, that's a great video. And I just wanted to, just kind of build on it, and from my perspective. Now, I take my dog for a walk every morning, and, for my dog, I love my dog, but I also do it for myself. And I really think it's powerful to spend some time doing something mindless, like walking, and just thinking. I put my headphones in, I listen to podcasts, I try to learn in the morning. That's really important to me. I try to study some material so I could get a walk in, get some exercise for my dog, get some movement for me, but also stimulate my mind. And when I get to walking, I'm learning, I'm listening, but I'm also thinking the whole time. I'm really thinking about my day ahead, things I'm trying to accomplish, my goals, my life. I'm just letting my mind wander. And I think that's really, really powerful because we're so busy all day long. We're go, 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 go. Our mind is so stimulated. But on this walk, I'm just lost in this movement, and I'm mindless, like just walking around my neighborhood. Like I don't even know where I'm going. I just walk. And if you could ask me what streets I walked down and what I saw, I'll tell you right now, I don't really remember because I'm just in my own mind. So I encourage you to go try that on your own and go take your animal for a walk, or just yourself, and just kind of spend some time with you and just focus on what you want, like what your goals are, and what just your day ahead and game plan, and set some things that you want to accomplish. And I think you'll get a lot out of it. So give it a try. Let me know how it works. And guys, keep on living that Fit and Fortitude life.